guys.
Welcome to Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner. Hey, little bug.
Hey.
See ya. This is a show where we like to take all of the content that you guys make and we like to look at it, be inspired by it. The Griddle Nation inspiration is a very real thing, and we are guilty of it, just like you getting in the vortex in the middle of the night when we should be sleeping, but we just keep scrolling through Instagram and TikTok. All the beautiful food. All the beautiful food.
Yeah.
I said it twice because it needed to be. It bears repeating now.
Nope.
White
nope,
stripes?
that ain't it.
Okay.
But here's also something that as content creators we understand. We understand the vortex of getting lost in the same old thing sometimes.
Oh, that's true.
And sometimes it's good to get inspiration from those close to you, but sometimes you want to get inspired by the people that are involved in the community that you're involved in. So maybe, just maybe today, you might get inspired by a recipe, a technique, a production idea, or...
Oh, we cover the gamut. The food, the person, and what it took to actually make the content. I'm a big fan of when it's really, really clever, but only if the food is good.
It's got to be good food if it's going to be clever content.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can find some.
Let's do it. All right, we're going to start with 2 breakfasts, then we're going to move on to 2 lunches, then we're going to move on to 2 dinners in no particular order, except for the one I just mentioned.
Clever name. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, we're starting breakfast. My boy. You ready for this? 3,
I'm ready.
2, 1. Cowboy Kent Rollins, the man, the myth, the legend. I love this guy.
Yeah, dude.
I love this kind of content. We've actually done this in the past.
Oh, I love this too because it's McDonald's.
Yeah, we've gone to a restaurant and then come home and try to see if we can make it better.
We could, and we did.
Always.
We went to Taco Bell one time and got their chalupa. And
Was it a chalupa?
Yeah.
And then you remade it.
Yep.
It was banging.
Oh, it was so good.
Flawless.
We also had Greenlee with us that day. So today he's doing a McGriddle.
He is. And you can make your own dough here. It's very, very simple. You can buy the box for pancake. I said dough, the batter.
Be honest. You use box.
Oh, sure. I'll use box. I get down with some Crusties. I like Crusties.
Of course you do.
But it's easy. It's easy enough to make on your own as well. And also, Kent is one of those guys. Like, it doesn't matter what he's cooking. I just want to listen to him.
No, I just because he has lived a life.
Yeah,
he's
this
a
guy's
real
so
cowboy.
good.
Like I
a
love
real
that.
one.
Yeah. So it's actually pretty.
How fluffy those
The
things are.
irony is a cowboy making a McGriddle. It's just a strange thing, but he is crushing it.
I like that technique of cheese.
Folding in the
Cheese on the inside.
I'm gonna do that next time.
That's a
Because I've never,
Yeah.
I've not done that.
That sausage is like the same size as the pancake. I'm not a huge fan of the McGriddle.
What?
I didn't say I'm not a fan. Not
Okay,
the
just
guy.
huge is the word.
Yeah, not a huge fan. Mostly because it's like I like sweets and savories, but for breakfast I'm kind of just like eggs and bacon.
No, man.
Eggs and sausage.
I'll
do the other stuff, but I don't like.
It's
have
not just a
hankering for
guilty
it.
pleasure for me. It is a pleasure. If you have the means, I highly recommend it.
This guy's got a sweet tooth over here.
For breakfast, I have a sweet tooth.
How American.
But I do like to add the savory components with it. So you got your
Okay.
cheese, obviously your sausage. I personally love to double up with some bacon.
Yeah, bacon and sausage.
Yes.
Woo!
So you get crispy bacon. Get
Take
that
it easy.
also crispy. Oh, okay, another one.
What?
Sausage. My wife will not eat sausage unless it's like on this side of burnt hockey puck.
Why?
I think
She's
she's just
crispy.
afraid. I think she's just afraid of
Huh.
having raw sausage. I like crispy sausage,
Sure.
but I don't want it where it's dry and dead.
Oh yeah. Mm-mm.
Don't-
Every year for Christmas, my father always makes sausage biscuits, and
Really?
it's very simple. Just buttermilk biscuit, sausage, and lots of yellow mustard.
Interesting.
That's
okay.
it. And it's nostalgia. I love it. It's one of my favorite things to eat in the whole world.
I can get down on that because I love mustard. That's something that has changed in my palate. I think it's because I'm getting old, but it's also because I see the importance of vinegar.
Yeah, when you get old,
To
you start
balance.
to like mustard.
It's true.
For you.
It's also very true. So here's the deal. Thumbs way up for my man here. 2 thumbs way, way up.
Yeah.
All right.
Kent the man, the myth, the legend. This next content creator is a new one. CJ, I don't think you've seen this creator.
I have
before.
not.
You ready? We're clicking in 3. Or Jody, click.
Nope.
Ready? Go. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of
Okay.
this one.
Nope. I've never seen the content. I'm now
So
following.
I've seen this trend a bunch. Not as much lately, but I've seen this trend. The scrambled pancakes thing.
No.
Have you not seen this?
No.
So she's starting off with bacon, which I talk
I
about.
thought
all
it's
the
just
time.
a smash
Bacon.
burger.
No. This was like
Okay,
I debated on
that's
putting
not
this in
smashing
breakfast.
up, by the way.
it's fine.
Is it?
I debated on whether or not to put this in breakfast because there is hash browns, there is scrambled pancakes, but it is on a burger, and I would do it. I was
Okay,
talking
I'm
about
seeing
that
fried
sweet.
eggs,
Yeah.
and now I.
Look.
Okay.
She pours the batter and then cooks it as she chops it.
Yep, I see that. So sausage, egg, bacon.
Yeah.
What is this? What is the sauce?
Oh, she didn't show the sauce, but I'd eat that for breakfast.
I need to know what the sauce is because that changes everything.
I liked this one because there was like so many curveballs. Like, where did it all come from?
I didn't know where it was gonna go.
I'm a fan. I'm a fan of this. I
Okay.
haven't tried the scrambled pancake thing yet.
I haven't either. To me, it feels just a wasted novelty. Like,
Have you tried it?
no,
Then you don't know.
no, you're right.
I don't know either.
But come on, you know, it's a
I feel like
novelty.
if and when I do it, I'm gonna do it in bacon fat, and I'm gonna do it fast and furious, so like to get
Crispy?
little crispy edges, like almost in like funnel cake territory.
Yes, I agree with that.
Yeah.
But you said it just like that, like funnel cake. Funnel cake is novelty. You get it at the circus. You get it at the fair.
When was the last time we went to the circus? Is there a circus anymore?
Oh, there's circus. Yeah.
I want to go to the circus.
I haven't been to the circus maybe ever.
You've never been to a circus?
No, I've been to plenty of fairs. So, okay, what's the difference between a circus and a fair? Is it just the big top?
Oh, is there an actual definition?
Is it animals?
I think it is in clowns.
Yeah, but
Has to
there's
be clowns.
animals at fairs.
So it's not
You
clowns.
go to petting zoos.
Are there clowns at every fair?
You know what? There are clowns, and they oftentimes paint faces.
Ooh. I don't see the clowns painting faces.
Do you not?
I don't go to fairs. I go to circuses.
What's the difference between a fair and a
Let us
circus?
know down in the comments below. Is there a definitive answer?
This also sparks up another question.
Uh-oh.
What's the difference between a soup and a stew?
Oh, stew has to have meat.
You can't have
Soup does
vegetable
not.
stew?
No.
I feel like I've heard that, but maybe I've just heard vegetable soup.
You're welcome.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you saying that because you think you know? Because you're faking it because you're a chef?
It sounded believable when I said it.
It's gotta
true.
be.
It's true. That's the difference. Stew needs meat. All right, on to
All right.
lunch. We are moving on. Go follow you, Madsen, if you haven't already.
I
Great
like it.
content over
I
there.
like it. All right.
Papa Jim's
Okay.
Grill and Chill.
I like Papa John's.
Here we go. We're clicking. I like the handle. So
All right. What do we got?
So
What's he making?
so we talked about sandwiches a couple episodes ago. A simple sandwich doesn't have to just be simple. It can also be impressive. Look at this loaf.
Okay. I'm
It's
saying
nice
this is a
soft
lovely loaf.
It is a lovely loaf.
Into threes?
Soft loaf. I would have toasted this in that bacon fat instead of getting rid of it. But
That's
he's
okay,
doing
Jim.
he's doing a triple decker Sammy here.
What? I've
yeah.
never seen a triple decker sandwich
All the
with
bacon.
this.
Look at how much bacon.
Yeah.
And
Dude, and
season-
salt and pepper. You gotta season your tomatoes, guys. That's a big one. What kind of vinegar did he put
Look, it
on
was
there?
just red wine vinegar.
Okay.
But look at that. I mean,
Wow.
it's somewhere in between like a Cuban style BLT.
Yeah. That's exactly.
You talked about a few episodes ago about having a club sandwich, like that's just a go-to in one specific place. I
Uh-huh.
don't eat BLTs enough, but every time I do, I forget how in love I am with the BLT.
So.
When the mutton is nice and
Yeah.
in that movie.
No, that's a good one. So, I said this to Andy the other day. So Andy's another guy that's on set with us. Basically, his hands are
Famous hands.
very famous hands. He is the rock paper scissors champion of the world.
Yeah, surprised you know.
He asked what we had for dinner because we were on set setting up and cleaning, whatever. I was like, "Oh, we had bacon sandwiches." And he's like, "Oh, bacon sandwiches. What's that?
Just
Like, what you put
bacon.
on it?" And I'm like,
No,
"Oh, it's bread, mayo, thin sliced tomatoes, and then some romaine and a bunch of bacon." He goes,
BLT.
"So a BLT?" I'm like, "Yeah,
Wait, you called a BLT a bacon sandwich?
that's what I grew up calling it.
What about all the other ingredients?
It's just part of a sandwich. Yeah, ham sandwich. You don't call it a ham, an H,
Ham
L,
and
and a T,
cheese.
a HLT?
You most definitely do.
No, you are a liar,
A ham
sir.
and cheese? You wouldn't call a ham and cheese
No.
cheese?
Ham and cheese is one thing, but a ham, lettuce, and tomato? That's like a ham sandwich.
It's a HLT.
Nope.
Everyone knows it.
Nope. You lie, sir.
It's true. It is a pork product of some type.
It definitely is.
Guess you could call it a PLT. Pork, lettuce,
Lettuce
and
and
tomato.
tomato? Yes.
Should change that.
So I get it. A BLT. It is bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes.
Never
But
called it
growing
bacon
up,
sandwich.
it was a bacon sandwich.
Nope.
This is not a hill you can die on. Like,
Or
if
a
you
hill.
don't call a ham sandwich an HLT,
You said heel instead of hill. I can't
A
hear anything
heel.
else you're saying.
A hill?
What?
are you sure?
BLT forever. HLT.
Leave it in the comments below.
Stupid.
Who's right? Who's wrong? And is there a middle ground? Because you won't call a ham sandwich that has ham, lettuce, and tomato.
And HLT.
And
You're right.
HLT.
Yeah, I was being funny. No, I would not.
You would never call it that.
No, because
But-
it doesn't
Okay, so
It's not an iconic sandwich.
So maybe a ham sandwich has other options, like you're adding pickles, you're adding mustard. It's not just mayo. So then it falls into a sandwich category. Whereas
You're
a
getting
BLT,
way too deep. A BLT is a BLT. It's not a
But would
bacon
you-
sandwich.
would you put mayo on a BLT?
I don't.
Would you put mustard on a BLT?
100%.
Sounds a lot like a ham sandwich with bacon.
Okay.
I digress. Let us move on. This next one is coming in from the Silly Kitchen.
Oh, she's silly?
Or no, she's Canadian though.
A little silly.
A little bit. Sylvia.
Are we clicking?
Let's click it. 3, 2, 1, go. All right. What do we got here?
Sorry about that, eh?
Oh, potato salad, eh? That's great.
Okay. This isn't silly.
I'd invite you to my house anytime you want.
My house.
We can drive my car for a
Oh,
potato
those got
salad.
crispy. Oh, and all the bacon back in. Yeah. Oh, also, look, she
Yes.
didn't chop
Wait.
up the bacon super fine.
I do like that larger chunks.
Yeah.
But what are the
With the dill?
sauces going on in here?
Dill, mayo,
Yeah,
onion.
but
This
maybe a
is-
ranch or a
This
mayo?
is good looking.
It's probably ranch and mayo, don't
I
you?
love potato salad.
See.
And I can't remember the last time I had potato salad.
Okay, so
This
the
is
thing
great.
I don't like about potato salad
What?
is the thing I don't like about like an elote.
I'm watching this again. Are we watching this together again?
Shh,
I'm watching it.
Go for it.
I don't like mayo by itself, but I would add mustard and mayo here to the potato salad. I think potatoes love a little bit of acidity.
Okay.
She's using lemon juice, but I feel like
I
mustard.
like that. Maybe
Mustard.
pickle juice would be fun too.
Oh, pickle juice
But
is
the
fine,
problem
too.
is
Yeah, that was good.
so you made a jicama potato salad when we first
Mm.
did It's a Party,
I did a jicama salad, and
And
then I
then
did a potato,
potato salad.
separate.
but you
But
did
they
the
were
pota-
similar ingredients.
Yes, but the potato salad wasn't crazy creamy. Unless I
No.
gotta go back and watch it, it was different.
It was a tiny little bit of mayo.
It was more vinaigrette based.
Yeah,
I feel like,
yeah.
and
And we-
I loved
We
it.
charred the potatoes.
Yes,
Like crispy.
yes,
Yeah, forget that was a good salad.
that was a really good
We need to make
salad.
that again.
That jicama was awesome too.
Yeah, I like that one.
But
salad.
that's
Yes,
the thing
please.
I'm like arguing is like I made an elote, but I just made it less creamy, so it still had some of that consistency, but it wasn't like that.
It's like a punch in the face mayo.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
I have to lick the mayo off my lips.
Ooh, no.
See, I don't like that.
I didn't think that one was that far. It might have gone a touch over on the mayo for me. It's summertime. Go make a potato salad.
Yeah.
Tag us. I want to see the potato salad. All the potato salads.
I pass on a potato salad
All the time.
99% of the time. If like at a potluck or if it's at like a family dinner, if I see a potato salad, I'm not even gonna bother trying.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna see that it's mayo-y and creamy, and I'm just gonna move on.
Redo that potato salad on your show.
I'm
Just steak
gonna
and
do
potato.
that. I can.
Steaks. Moving on. Okay,
Moving
here
on.
we go. on to dinner.
Love
Uh,
dinner.
Annika Petra. She's. I think.
I was
that's how
about
you
to say, I
pronounce
was gonna Annika Patra or Annika Patrick. Annika Patrick, the race car driver, isn't she?
No.
No.
it. Yes.
Okay.
Danica.
Danica, that's it.
Danica.
Danica.
I like this one because of meal prep, and I don't see a ton of content on this other than like bodybuilders. I see a lot of fitness
Sure.
bodybuilder types doing a lot of meal prep, but this is like a family meal prep, and it's probably the most gorgeous meal prep I've ever seen.
Well, let's see it.
It's gorgeous. Oh, I was already watching.
Oh,
How have you been? All right, we'll start it over. Ready? Go.
Okay. Now you.
Wait, I
now
didn't
you.
start over.
Okay.
Here we
Meal
go.
prep Sunday.
Yeah.
Last. All right.
Yeah. Also, going to Sam's and Costco is not as much fun as they make it look.
You're wrong. It is that much fun.
Not on a weekend.
No. That
It's
is
not
not
a
fun.
Tuesday afternoon.
Okay, this is a crazy meal prep.
Yeah.
That was
Beautiful,
gorgeous.
right?
Like presentation for meal
Mhm.
prep.
I love cooking, so I don't typically meal prep, but there are some weeks where I wish I would have. Do you know what I mean? Like some weeks just
Sure.
get busy.
Yeah, like all the time.
Do you meal
these
prep?
days. No.
Nah, dude.
Nah, dude.
Nah, dude.
Nah. But
Yeah,
I like what's going on here.
They're running the gamut. And
Dude.
it was like into the wee hours of the morning.
That is a ton.
Yeah, I'd like to
groceries.
see. I'd like to see some more meal prep stuff. They didn't really go into too much detail on how they did it, but I was just interested
Yeah,
in
just showing
what
the
they did.
possibilities.
Yeah,
I guess
that
is
much
what's going on there.
food is a really nice thing. Nice to have Blackstone to cook that much stuff. But I want to.
Meal preppers, let us know. Put your content
Yeah.
in the comments down below. We want to see what you're doing. And if you are a meal prepper making content, give us the 100% breakdown. I want to know,
Yeah.
like, are you watching out for macros? Are you just doing portions? Or, like,
Macro.
metaphorically speaking. all right. I digress, but preppers, let us know. Not like doomsday preppers. Although, if you are one of those, leave it in the comments down below.
I'm interested to see that too.
Me too.
I don't discriminate on the kind of content I watch. I got some meal prep.
Some doomsday prep.
You could survive on baby formula.
Yeah, but that's no way to live.
I saw it in a YouTube video. It's real.
Not like this. Not like this. All right. Last but not least, we're rolling into the Roses Backyard
Big fan of
Barbecue.
this channel.
Buddies of ours, Party Griddle crew, love this. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, no, I
Guaranteed,
didn't.
whatever it is,
Catching
it's
up.
gonna be gorgeous, and I was correct. Feeding 5 for under $25.
A lot of people like debate about that in the comments. It's absolutely possible.
Oh, dude, it's very doable.
And it's doable and beautiful. Look at all these colors.
Yep.
I'm a huge fan. As we've talked about, like, you eat with your eyes first.
Yes.
This is really gorgeous. Those cuppy sausages.
Yep.
All
love
the
that.
different textures
the
and shapes.
The Roses are like synonymous with beauty when it comes to their food.
Yeah.
They don't ever just make a pile of slop.
Yeah.
It is always plated beautifully. They take their time with each ingredient.
I love that
huge
Rana
fan.
pasta too.
Oh, yeah.
You can take that a million directions. We
Yeah.
did on my show. We do langoustine in a creamy garlic sauce with those Rana gnocchi.
Thumbs up or hey if you can.
Everyone thinks you're a nice guy, CJ.
The Roses Backyard. You guys are crushing this.
They're shooting
I
on a
love
phone
everything
too.
about this.
They're shooting on a phone.
Oh, yeah.
They just change up the angles a lot. It keeps the content interesting. When it's not, I mean, just a tripod
Yeah.
is one thing, and that's fine if that's all you want to do. But moving it around just makes it a little bit more, for me as a viewer, it makes it more fun.
It's
Get different
important.
angles.
It's important to me. So presentation was beautiful. I guarantee you that this was delicious.
Oh yeah, I can taste this one.
I'm a huge, huge fan. 2 thumbs, way up.
Can I give 2?
Sure.
4 thumbs.
4 thumbs, way up.
4 thumbs.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm a fan.
All right. I think that was it, folks.
That was it for today. Thank you all so much. And don't forget, like, just because a content creator has 100 followers doesn't mean their content's not amazing. And we want to see it. We want to get inspired from the Griddle Nation. Little love bug. It's that season.
Yep.
Also, there's 2 of them. They're out of love. They split.
Oh, well,
Sorry.
of course.
Let us know down in the comments what content creators we should be looking at, whether you have 1 million followers or 100 followers. We want to be consuming all that delicious,
We love
delicious
it.
content.
Diamonds can be found in the rough,
They
for
can.
sure, in Griddle Nation
can.
and with
We
content
found
creation.
you.
So let's for a second, let's go back to the fact that earlier you missed a really great moment.
I did?
Yes, we were talking about Danica, Patrick, and blah, blah, blah. And you said something, and I said, Danikit? Like,
Oh,
and you just... And that's like right up your alley.
Danikit.
Yeah. See? You did it in another episode. What was it?
Just for the halibut?
Just for the house. See?
Mine was good.
Oh, man. All right. Leave it in the comments.
All right.
Exactly. So glad that you guys hung out with us. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, it's a killer. Leave it in the comments if you've got some stuff you want us to see and be a part of.
And content creators that haven't had their fair shake.
Yeah, if you
Just
see
get
someone that
100,
needs
yeah.
the light,
The light of day?
this is the light.
The light of Arendelle?
I'm gonna let it shine.
I was going with Lord of the
Light
Rings.
of mine. Okay, we probably should be done.
Nerd out. Thank you guys all so much for hanging out. We love watching content. We love getting inspired. We're probably going to make most, if not all, of the recipes we watched today.
I love it.
That's all I got, my friend. Thank you all so much. We will see you in the next episode, my friend.
All right,
See you
cheers.
guys.
Later, y'all.